Hi, pretty lady. Oh. It's hard to be angry when you have the hiccups, isn't it? Do you have the desire to poop? Yes, you do, don't you? You do, don't you? Have a kiss.
Hopefully back home, and hopefully safe snow and Cleveland. But I really think there were some positive things too. They had 25 assists tonight. They out-rebounded Cleveland, who is historically a great rebounding team, by 12. So I think they have to really do a lot of introspection. They have to look at what they can do better. And they pride themselves on not pointing at themselves.